Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by choosing the exact cell you want to hold the link. Precision matters because formatting follows that cell. Once selected, press Ctrl+K or use Insert Link to open the dialog or type =hyperlink. https://example. Label for formula control. You do this because the dialog is quick for manual links and the formula gives dynamic behavior. Make sure to have the destination URL and the display text ready so you can paste cleanly and avoid broken links. Once you've created basic links, extend them by using =hyperlink, A1 B1 so the target updates automatically when A1 changes. You can concatenate parts, =hyperlink, https://site, com/ and C2, open to assemble query parameters or IDs. For internal navigation, build anchors like #gid =0 and range =A1, appended to the spreadsheet URL to jump to a sheet or range. This helps users and scripts. Make sure to test one link after building concatenations to confirm correct encoding and behavior. To finish, verify each hyperlink by clicking it and confirming the destination opens as expected. Check both normal and private browser modes if sharing externally. If a link fails, inspect the URL for typos, missing protocol like HTTPS, or wrongly concatenated pieces. You can use Erlang code inside formulas to handle spaces and symbols. Finally, lock or protect the linked cell to prevent accidental edits, and document any dynamic logic so other users understand why the hyperlink formula behaves the way it does.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.